Are you rushing it? Are you rushing success? Are you rushing manifestation? Timing is everything. And when you're in a rush, you're actually creating poor timing for yourself. The card we're going to explore today from the Oracle of the Lake deck speaks into that. It's the pick when ripe card. Look at those juicy blueberries. Underneath, you will find that some aren't quite ripe yet. It's not time to pick those. See, when this card shows up, it's about your emotions and it's about trying to rush through things and get things done and be as big and bold as you can be without creating the success steps to get there and not being your true self. So, this card actually reveals that timing creates great success, right? Think about it. Think about that unripe blueberry. When you pick it, it doesn't taste so good. But the ripe ones, oh my goodness, the timing is perfect for those. See, this isn't about fixing things, it's about allowing, it's about shifting your energy for greater allowance. It's a water card, and water talks about emotions. And so, if we're rushing, our emotions are a little harried and maybe scattered. When we release that energy and step into not reacting with it, but responding to it and saying, hey, what's the rush? In what aspects can I speed up and in what aspects can I pull back? Because you can't mess with Mother Nature's timing, and you can't mess with the timing of the universe for the manifestation of your dreams. So when this card shows up, ask yourself, why am I rushing? What's the great, what's the big deal about not enjoying the journey a little bit more? And head down into the description to see about how to get greater alignment with this card, as well as all the cards in the Oracle of the Lake deck. And I will see you in the next card.